Hey guys, it's Bogan here, and I'm here to show you my new gun that I got. Here is the box right here. See, it looks pretty good. This will tell you a lot about the gun. But if you really don't know what the gun looks like coming from the box, I'll tell you what it is. Hold on, I'm just gonna open the box up. And just before I show you this, if you don't know what this is my tactical banana. It is fully loaded. It's in pretty good quality for being used. You know, I heard this is the best gun in Call of Duty because I get all my facts from Call of Duty. Yeah, this is it. And you know, it can. I guess I'll show you the magazine. Hold on. Here's the magazine. Just gonna put that back here. Okay. Here's my gun. Unlike the other reviewers, I'm not gonna show you how this shoots at all. That's how creative I am. Peace.